always have a hand to hold. Out there in the darkness, when you're feeling cold, when everything is hurting and nothing's really working, may you find the courage to still be bold.
I pray for the place where women is being treated as co-human to exercise her equal rights.
I pray your eyes are open to new and more impactful ways to help stamp out hunger and homelessness in our communities and in our nation.
We hope for resilience in overcoming poverty in our country and America.
I hope the important conversations happening in your communities are blessed with insight, open-mindedness, and thoughtfulness.
We pray that you find partners in this work to do this ministry in the community where God has already shown up and will show you how to show up.
I pray that you flourish in loving one another.
Esperamos que continúe esa empatía
con nuestra iglesia.
No solo poniéndose en nuestros zapatos,
sino caminando lado a lado.
Harapan saya, gereja lebih terbuka pada perbedaan dan menghapuskan diskriminasi.
I pray for peace for those who have not seen peace, and I pray for justice for those who have not seen justice.
ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងសង្ឃឹមថាការអធិដ្ឋានរបស់លោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូនឹងព្រះអង្គប្រទានពរជាមិនខានសូមព្រះប្រទានពរ
We hope for equality, peace and justice.
I hope for safe and decent shelter for refugees.
Pido a Dios, continúen caminando con nosotros en acompañamiento mutuo, solidario y respetuoso. Dios bendiga sus decisiones.